Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 3 of class 7th DAV English Literature A Hero by R.K. Narayanan back exercise. Understanding the story. A. Each statement given below contains the one wrong word or phrase which makes the complete statement false. Underline the wrong words or phrase and replace them with the correct ones to make the statements true. One has been done for you. First, Swami's father read the report of a lad's bravery in a weekly magazine. Answer newspaper. 2. The boy was rescued by some people who captured the tiger. Answer killed. Third, Swami seemed convinced of the boy's bravery. Answer unconvinced. Fourth, Swami had always slept beside his mother. Answer granny. Fifth, Swami proposed to sleep alone beginning with the same night. Answer next month. Sixth, Swami studied in fourth grade. Answer second. Seventh, Swami had to sleep alone in the hall. Answer office room. B. Answer the following questions briefly in about 30 words. First, how did Swami react to the news of the village lad's bravery? How was his reaction different from his father's reaction? Answer. Swami was not at all convinced with the news of the village lad's bravery. He could not imagine that a boy could fight with a tiger and escape from it. His reaction was totally different from his father's reaction. He thought that the boy must have been a very strong and grown up person. On the other hand, his father was impressed with the boy's bravery. His thinking was that courage is everything, strength and age are not important. Second, what was the challenge given to the Swami by his father? How did he receive it? Answer. Swami's father challenged him to sleep alone in the office room. At first, he did not take it seriously, but later he had to receive it as a command of his father. Third, describe Swami's feelings in the office room at night. Answer. Swami was frightened and miserable in the office room. He was unable to sleep whole night. He remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts he had heard in his life. Every moment he expected the devils to take him away. Fourth, how did Swami catch the burglar? Answer. Swami took the burglar to be a devil. He thought that it was going to tear him up. As it came nearer, he crawled out from under the bench, hugged it with all his might, and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. The burglar fell down with a loud noise. Hearing the loud cry, Swami's father came with the cook and caught the burglar. C. Of the following words, which would you choose to describe Swami and why? First, meek. Second, clever. Third, cowardly. Fourth, courageous. Fifth, boastful. Sixth, strong. Answer. Meek and cowardly are the correct terms to describe Swami. Because he lacked courage. He was also clever. He tried his best to dodge his father's challenge to sleep alone in the office room. D. Various incidents in the story evoke contradictory reactions from Swami and his father. Complete the table given below, highlighting the difference of opinion between the two. Father thought the village boy who had fought a tiger was very courageous. Swami thought he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. How could a boy fight a tiger? B. Even if one has the strength of a straw, it does not matter. But if he has courage, he can do anything. Swami thought, courage alone cannot do anything, strength is also important. Father thought, see, sleeping alone would make Swami courageous and independent. Swami thought there is a lack of humanity in the world. Thoughts. Courage is everything, strength and age are not important. Do you agree? Why or why not? Answer. I agree that courage is most important than strength and age. Many times a little child can face any challenge or solve any problems just because of his bravery and presence of mind. Life skills. A. Would you call a Swami a hero? Why or why not? Answer. Yes. Swami was a hero. Only then he dared to fight the devil who was a burglar in reality, but he was unaware of his courage. B. Should children be allowed to face any nasty situations in life or should they be always kept protected? Answer. Yes, children should be allowed to face nasty situation as it will help them to know their courage and will make them self-dependent. But elders must keep their eyes on them at that time. Values. It is said that Swami did not like the strain of cruelty in his father's nature. Is Swami's father really cruel? Answer no. His father was not really cruel. It was Swami's nature which forced his father to act cruel with Swami. Writing skills. After the headmaster narrates to the class how Swami caught the burglar, one of the Swami's friend writes a report on the incident to be published in the Malgudi Times. Write the report in about 100 words. A little lad caught the burglar. Malgudi Times, 21st December 2021. An 8-year-old boy, Swami, caught a burglar last night here. He was sleeping in his father's office all alone. He found something was entering his room at about midnight. When he saw the shadow image approaching him, he became alert. He grabbed his leg and bit him hard. The burglar fell down and cried in pain. Soon father's cook and servant came and the burglar was caught. The police had been trying to arrest him, but Swami did it easily. He has been called a hero by the police. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.